Boy, we've had a lot come through, and it's not done with us yet.
Yeah, our eastern counties are next in line to get this area very strong thunderstorms. Fortunately, no severe thunderstorms right now, even though we are under a tornado watch. So that's a good thing. We've had one too many tornadoes touch down today. Let's go to the Viper radar, and you'll see that we have what? Road closure. Okay, where is that from?
It's Lamar Boulevard, right near us, just west of downtown, between 9th and 12th Streets. Jim, you recall what happened there in 1981 with the Memorial Day flooding? We've had some people die in this intersection, and now the Austin Police Department wisely shutting it down.
Yeah, in 1998 and in 2001 and in 2005. We didn't have to lose lives every time, but that's an intersection that floods every time we get a real significant flooding rainfall here in the metro area. You can count on that one being one of them. Doesn't look like it's as deep as it's been when it gets into cheapo records there or into the 7-Eleven, so hopefully the water running off a little more quickly tonight. The rain is tapering off a little bit now back in West Austin. Still some good downpours right here in central and east Austin, and especially over eastern Travis County, down into eastern Hays County, up into eastern Williamson County, now into Milam County. But again, these are not severe thunderstorms, at least right now. We are in a favorable environment for a severe thunderstorm, maybe even an isolated tornado spin up tonight. There's a lot of spin or wind shear in the atmosphere tonight because of this low pressure area coming in from West Texas that I'll show you in a minute. That's why we had that little tornado down around Weimar earlier, while we had several down southeast of San Antonio today. The tornado watch box extends through all of our eastern counties and includes the metro area until 3 a.m. But once this line moves out of the metro area, I bet they cancel that tornado watch for the Austin area, and you folks can go to bed, you tornado scaredy cats out there. I want to go to the profiler here real quickly and show you the rainfall situation, and that is what has caused the problem. Not so much because of the amount of rain, but because of how quickly it has fallen. Now, for example, here in northeast Travis County, 2 inches. There's a 2.5 inch just west of Manor. There's 2 inches in central Austin, south Austin, 2.5 right there. Down around Dripping Springs, 3 inches of rain. But most of that fell in, an hour or in 90 minutes. So that's why we're having the flash flood issues that we're seeing at the present time here around the metro area. You folks off to the east are going to get the same thing now. Now, these flashing icons, severe weather. Nickel-size hail, that's not quite a severe storm, caused traffic problems on I-35. Let's see what this one is up here on 79. Wind gusts to 50 miles per hour. We can handle that. There's 2 inches over 2.24 inches of rain in 20 minutes. How about that around the Hutto area? There near Leander, 1.28 inches in 20 minutes. Let's see what this storm report was. Dime-size hail. Rainfall rate of 6 inches per hour. And we indeed did have a report today of an inch in 10 minutes. Down here south of Dripping Springs. Several roads in around Driftwood reported to be flooding right now, including parts of Highway 12. It's scary at night in Hays County. Let me tell you, when we've had rain like this, avoid low water crossings or rural roads in Hays County. There are low water crossings all over the place there. I would stay away from them. 3 inches there south of Dripping Springs tonight. Quick look out here to the hill country. We'll have a bunch of rainfall totals for you in the morning and tomorrow. We've just been too busy to assimilate them. But this is Doppler estimated rainfall. 2.5 inches there, 2 inches west of Marble Falls. Let's see what Marble Falls got, about 2 inches. About 3 southeast of Mason, and 4 inches. And most of that fell in, or at least almost 3 inches of that fell in an hour there up northwest of Harper. Okay, let's get on to what's going on here. We have a tornado watch until 3 a.m. Told you about that. Metro area and east. Flash flood watch, this was old, till 9 p.m. The only warning right now is for Hays County, okay? But the flash flood watch continues until noon tomorrow. The only warning right now for Hays County, but we may have more later. Look at this storm. We've been tracking it all week. We've been telling you to do something like this, and here it comes, moving east of the Big Bend area right now. There's another wave of energy rotating around the backside of that storm that's going to move up our direction. All the precipitable water, we call it, in the atmosphere has not been rained out yet. We may get some more. I just looked at a new model that says we get another 0.88 inches in Austin between 7 a.m. and noon tomorrow. We'll see. The atmosphere is going to be stabilized a little bit behind this line, but don't be surprised if we wake up to some more rain or some thunderstorms coming up here with this low as it moves on up and across and overhead, essentially, during the day tomorrow, then slowly moves off to the Arklatex over the weekend. There's Saturday even, look at this, maybe even a wraparound shower on Saturday. I wouldn't look for anything big, but maybe a wraparound shower. Our computer model kind of had the right idea here. It suggested we're going to end up with 2.5, 3 inches of rain off to the east, maybe a little less back there in the hill country. That's our latest projection from the National Weather Service. Looks like it's pretty close, maybe a little bit low. Okay, getting out of time here. Let me show you quick temperatures. I want to get you to the forecast. 63. Look at that. Look at those temperatures. Wonderful. I have to show you the pollen count. Mold, crazy today. 14,000. But a lot of that got washed out of the air this evening. Good news there. Thunderstorms tonight continuing. Tomorrow, we still could see a shower, thunder shower, especially in the morning. I think then tapering off. Then on Saturday, have to include a 20% chance. And I didn't get to show you this, but there's another little trough that's going to come out of the Rockies next week and establish kind of a low pressure area over Texas. We could have rain chances every day. Nothing like this storm, but a chance every day. How about that? We have the morning show information. Yeah, I really want to tell you about this because in the morning, we'll be live from where the tornado touched down. We'll be live from where the flooding situations are. And Natalie will be updating you on that next wave of low pressure coming with this storm every 10 minutes along with traffic. That's going to be a big deal in the morning. So when you wake up, tune us in first thing.